Hadian baralap ya kamet jong we ukna hakastep jong khandai tarik risau harut surok klau rumnong maupan. Superintendent of Police ba Vivek Im ula poisha kani ka jaka ban toket habaya dei ba kani ka jingja. Habakran sekilar pathai Khubor USP ula Pyntikna ba ka Metiap balap ka dei jong khna ba nyau Snem kerta ula tep kerteng kum u kershan bor kharmudai baja menin ka jan miet na ka shnong Nongrah lumarbo. Shu USP ula ong bala suba basha penyam ba de ka met lawan bret syakate ka jaka balap de ka met yam ba de ka met yap enle postmortem Shenigrams Hospital Shillong. Nakaliang ki pulit kin pendong ya kajing tokit halor kajing yap jong ni u Heprit.
So, is it confirmed yet that the body of the 7-year-old missing?
Yes, it is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumarbo, Nongrah, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Nongtsong, Maudian Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points toward being a murder?
Yes, I said
assault,
all indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see it? Is it a coincidence that two missing cases now would want to be done? Is it a coincidence or whether anything?
Right now I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down, and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view this incident has created concerns among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question. During your family's function, was the murder committed here only, or the body was dumped?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only. Thank you.
Thank you.